What's going on my Cash App investors? It is Shaddai back again with another stock news update. And I am more excited than ever before. The market is in a correction. And I have not reported this before, but through some research, a lot of analysts were saying that coming into the year, the market was a little overvalued. And obviously, like I said in the previous video this week, the coronavirus is not helping. But this is the correction and the dip that me and you have been waiting for to get into this market. Let's get into this informational video. But before I get there, I do want to mention about this investment group that I'm working on. I have the name, not going to release it yet. If you're interested, reach out to me on my email that is in the description below. I will be having conversations with anybody that is interested in joining this investment group. I just think that our purchasing power and just our monetary power in general will just be much stronger if we're working together rather than working individually. Now let's get to some stock news. First things first, I actually did mention Chesapeake Energy in one of my previous videos this week, and it is a stock that you want to stay away from. After a report came out today, I had a conversation with a fellow YouTuber that was asking me what my thoughts are on Chesapeake, what my real thoughts are on Chesapeake, and at this moment, that is a stock and a company you want to stay away from. They came out in a report this morning that they are going to do a reverse stock split. And when I heard that, I'm like, what the hell is a reverse stock split? I looked it up. It is not good for investors like me and you. Pretty much the simple way to think about it is, let's say you owned 100 shares in Chesapeake Energy. Once they process the reverse stock split, you will now, instead of having 100 shares, you will only have 50 shares, but it will be valued at the same amount of money. Very confusing, but I also did some research and found out that usually when companies do that, everything kind of goes downhill from there until, I don't know, something amazing happens. So stay away from Chesapeake Energy. A company I wanted to talk about. This report just came out about a handful of hours ago, and Walmart is coming out with something to compete against Amazon. It will be called Walmart Plus. Now, they are not speaking too much on this because they will be rolling this out in March, but Walmart Plus will be coming out to compete against Amazon. And word on the street is that they will be offering some things that Amazon will not be able to offer. As many as you know, Walmart does sell groceries, and they're in a position to maybe potentially sell this Walmart Plus membership at a lower rate than what Amazon Prime is selling. So I know Walmart is a little over $100, but if you think about how much Amazon stock is, which they're around like 1,800, 1,900, if Walmart can take off with this Walmart Plus thing that they have going on, they can surge $200, $300, $400. So keep Walmart on your watch list. I'm telling you. Because even if we go into a recession, Walmart is considered a consumer staple. They're going to make sales. And consumer staples are very safe during a recession. At this moment, I really don't see the recession coming near. Early in the year, I was a little bit more worried, but I don't see it coming. So Walmart is definitely on the watch list, and I know it's a little bit on the expensive side. I usually don't talk about these stocks, but I just couldn't think past of the crazy disruptive potential. I don't know anybody else that is trying to compete with Amazon as far as next day delivery or same day delivery. So that can be very important. And I kept telling myself I'm going to stop saying so, but I'm going to keep working on this, y'all. I always say that this is a long-term game for new people coming in to the stocks market. And if you're in this for a short term to try to make quick money and you're not shifting around tens thousands of dollars, 20,000, 15,000 of dollars, this ain't for you. Like, you're not gonna take $100 and turn it into $1,000. This isn't the scam market, it's the stock market. So you need to accumulate stocks while it's in the dip, while it's being corrected, so that when things start to turn over by summertime or by the fall, if Trump wins the election, into next winter, next spring, you want to be holding on a bunch of shares for 12 to 18 months, and then you'll see some positive, some more gain in your money. Because if you buy one or two shares, it's not going to work. So let's be smart. Pick 4 to 5 companies and just build those shares up, and in 12 to 18 months, I guarantee you're going to be like, wow, I'm glad I did that. So let's be smart about this. Be patient. It's a buying period. Now, I'm not saying take all your money out your savings and start buying. I would say maybe 20% of your savings. 20% of your savings, throw it in the stock market, buy, diversify, and see what happens. There can be a lot of positives come summertime once everything clears away. A company that could see a lot of benefit, because I think that we're not going to see all the bad things until Q1 earnings is when you're going to see a lot of companies reporting. Like, some companies won't be doing well, especially if it has to do with shopping, if they have international business, if all their products were coming from China. Q1, Q2 is going to be a bad and scary sight for a handful of companies. But Q1, Q2, for a company like Clorox that promotes disinfectant wipes and bleach, that could be a company you want to be looking at to invest in, because Q1, Q2 for them is going to be great. There is no other product on the market that we know of as walking human beings that gets rid of every single virus except for Clorox or bleach. People are going to start to want to be more disinfecting their homes. Companies disinfecting their offices. This would be a big time for cleaning companies. So keep an eye out for Clorox if you're looking for a new company to invest in. They're already starting to spike a little bit, but once their Q1 and Q2 comes in, I think that company is going to be looking very, very well as far as sales. CVS and Aetna, I spoke about them in another one of my videos this week. They are in a weird dip right now, which I don't really understand it, because as more people and more reports of people feeling sick, getting sick, more people are going to be going to CVS to shop for things to feel better, whether it's medication or whatever the case may be. As well as when there's more reports of people getting sick, the ones that are uninsured, they might want to start getting insured. And CVS has ties with Aetna, which is a health insurance company. They can see a lot of beneficial value there. I think CVS Q1, Q2 will be showing a lot of upside just based off of all the health risks that you're hearing out there. I'm going to continue saying that Zynga is a buy right now. They're super undervalued. I think GE is still a buy right now. Super undervalued. Roku, I'm going to switch them to a just watch. Now, early this week, I've been wanting to get into Roku so much. I'm going to switch them to a watch, and I'm going to insert Walmart in replacement of Roku, just because of the innovation that Walmart is trying to do. I appreciate you guys for watching today's video. Make sure you hit the thumbs up if you're feeling this video, and comment below what you're looking at, what you're investing in. Are you winning right now? Are you losing? Let us know. Like I always say, we always want to be helping each other and having conversations about these investments, because we're all here, we're all learning, and this is a big game of risk. And there's nothing better than for us to be sharing information with each other to try to help each other succeed. If multiple of us succeed, then that's great. It's not just about only me succeeding or only you succeeding. So again, thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on Monday, and we're gonna hope that the dip doesn't continue. But remember, make sure you go out and buy something. Peace.